are parallel motion devices. They are being used to show a scene from two different Hmong folktales. This device shows a scene from the sun and moon. When the sun and the moon shift back and forth toward Teng Chu's arms, it looks like he is placing them in the sky. This device shows a scene from why farmers carry their crops. When the farmer and the weeds go back and forth, it looks like they're fighting over the crops. Let's figure out the parts of these devices and why they work. These cardboard strips are placed horizontally and are parallel to each other. The craft sticks that are attached to them give you a handle to apply a push and pull force. The other two cardboard strips are placed vertically and are also parallel to each other. Our moving story characters are attached to these strips. These brass fasteners are being used as floating pivots. They are what the cardboard levers rotate or pivot around. When you apply push and pull forces on the horizontal levers, they transfer force to the vertical levers and our scene comes to life. You are able to create your own parallel motion device by using these materials. You cut your cardboard into strips to create the levers and use brass fasteners to act as floating pivots. Let's start by connecting two of the levers together. After lining up your cardboard strips, use your push pin to make a hole in both of them. Then use your wooden skewer to make the holes wider. Finally, use a brass fastener to connect the two strips. Put the legs of the fastener through both holes, then bend them flat against the strip in opposite directions. Make sure you test if your connection is loose enough to allow the strips to rotate. Did you notice that when only two strips are connected, you can move them more than when all four were connected? You can connect your cardboard strips into a parallelogram like I did in my examples. Or you can experiment by connecting them in different places. Or by using a different number of strips. See what kind of motions you can create. Now it's time for you to get creative. Decide what story you'd like to work with and draw a picture or choose artwork made by our artist, Yinkong Vu. The drawings in the student guide will help you create your storytelling machine. Remember, you are engineering it. Be ready to figure out what is and isn't working, and then how to fix it. Be patient, observe, ask a friend, and think.